In this video, I'm going to show you how to export all DNS records of one or more domains in bulk. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To extract all DNS records of multiple domains to Excel, we'll use the Bulk DNS Lookup Tool. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the Bulk DNS Lookup Tool. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more domains. Select notification type: email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted DNS records to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported all the DNS records of several domains to Excel. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the Bulk DNS Lookup Tool and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.